Let me paint a picture for you. You are standing in a shop. You spot a midi skirt. It is beautiful. The color is perfect. The fabric looks gorgeous on the hanger. You try it on, step in front of the mirror, and something feels off. You cannot quite put your finger on what it is. But something is just not working. So you put it back. Walk away. And tell yourself that midi skirts are just not for you. Sound familiar? Here at Grace and Glow, we hear this story from women over 50 almost every single day. And every single time, our answer is the same. The midi skirt was never the problem. You just were never taught the secrets that make it work. Because here is the truth that changes everything. The exact same midi skirt that makes one woman look like she just stepped off a Paris street can make another woman feel completely lost. And the difference has absolutely nothing to do with age, body shape, or budget. It has everything to do with 7 specific style secrets that most women have simply never been told. Today on Grace and Glow, I am sharing every single one of them with you. And I promise, by the time this video is over, you are going to look at every midi skirt in your wardrobe with completely fresh and excited eyes. Now before we dive in, I want to ask you something a little controversial right from the start. And I want you to hold your answer until the end of the video, because I am going to ask you again. Do you think women over 50 actually look better in midi skirts than younger women? I have a very strong opinion on this. And I will be sharing it before we close out today. Stay with me all the way to the end, because the bonus tip I have saved for last is the one that is going to change how you get dressed every single morning. Not just in midi skirts. In everything. Let us get into it. Secret number 1. Fabric and movement. The foundation of everything. Have you ever watched a woman walk into a room and thought, she looks absolutely incredible? There is something about the way she moves. The way her clothes seem to flow with her like they belong to her. That is not luck and it is not magic. That is a deliberate fabric choice. And it is the very first secret of the midi skirt. Here is what most women do not realize. A midi skirt can only move beautifully if the fabric allows it to. When you pick up a midi skirt in the shop, the color catches your eye, the print excites you, and you think this is the one. But you never check how it actually moves. And that single oversight is the mistake that costs you everything. The fabrics you want are viscose, silk, light crepe, and fluid linen. These are the fabrics that flow with your body rather than fighting against it. Pleats create natural movement. A soft flared cut adds elegance in motion. And a subtle slit, that one small detail, is what separates a nice midi skirt from a truly extraordinary one. The test before you buy is simple. Walk in it. Sit in it. Turn around in it. If the skirt fights you, if it pulls or stiffens, it is not the one. When your clothes move with you and not against you, everything changes. You look more natural, more elegant, and more completely and unapologetically yourself. Secret number 2. The length that flatters is deeply personal. Here is something the most elegant women already know instinctively. The perfect midi length is never an accident. It falls at exactly the right point on the leg. And that point is completely different for every single woman. You want the hem to land at the slimmest part of your leg. Not at the knee and definitely not at the widest part of your calf, because that is where the silhouette can suddenly feel heavier than it actually is. If you are petite, just below the knee works beautifully and creates a lovely elongated line. If you are cavia, mid-calf creates a cleaner, more streamlined silhouette. And if you are taller, you have the most freedom to experiment and play. But the most important piece of advice from this entire secret is this. Never try on a midi skirt standing still in a fitting room. That is not how you live your life. Walk across the room in it. Sit down in a chair. Turn to the side. That is when the real length reveals itself. Once you find your perfect length, you will know immediately. And you will never settle for anything less again. Secret number 3. The right shoe makes your legs look longer. I know exactly what some of you are already thinking. She is about to tell me to wear heels. But that is not what I am saying at all. Because here at Grace and Glow, we believe in style that is just as comfortable as it is beautiful. And the wonderful news is this. It is not about the height of your heel. It is about the visual line your shoe creates from the hem of your skirt all the way down to the floor. Kitten heels are soft, feminine, and completely wearable all day long. Refined loafers in leather or suede are effortlessly chic and endlessly versatile. Minimalist sandals keep the whole silhouette clean and modern. And here is the little trick that the most stylish women already know. If your shoe is close to your skin tone, or close to the color of your hosiery, you create one long uninterrupted visual line from your hip to the floor. Instantly your legs look longer, your silhouette looks more elegant, and the entire outfit comes together in the most beautiful way. Such a tiny detail. Such a huge difference. And here is what to avoid. Thick ankle straps. They cut the leg right at its widest point and make the whole silhouette feel shorter and heavier than it is. Choose a low-cut shoe without a strap and watch what happens. Cleaner, longer, more refined. Every single time. If these secrets are resonating with you, this is the perfect moment to subscribe to Grace and Glow and give this video a like. It helps more women just like you find this channel. Now let us keep going because we are just getting to the really good part. Secret number 4. Monochrome is your most powerful and most underrated tool. This secret surprises almost every woman I share it with. And it might just be the single easiest transformation in this entire video. When you wear one color family from the waist down, you create one continuous unbroken visual line that elongates your figure, flatters your proportions, and gives you that undeniable quiet confidence of a woman who simply knows what she is doing. We are not talking about wearing bold color from head to toe. We are talking about something far more subtle and far more sophisticated. Beige layered over ivory. Midnight blue over pearl gray. Warm earth tones over soft gold. Related tones worn together with quiet, effortless confidence. But here is the key to making monochrome feel luxurious rather than flat. Texture. When everything is the same color but in completely different fabrics, the outfit comes alive with depth and dimension. A silky linen skirt with a fine cotton knit top. A soft cashmere sweater over a crepe skirt in the same tone. Same color family. Completely different surfaces. That contrast creates visual interest without breaking that beautiful elongating line. The result is a version of you that appears taller, more fluid, and more effortlessly put together than you have felt in years. Secret number 5. A structured top is the midi skirt's greatest ally. Here is something Grace and Glow wants every woman over 50 to hear clearly and carry with them always. Being over 50 does not mean hiding your figure. It means dressing it with intelligence, with intention, and with the kind of quiet confidence that only comes from truly knowing yourself. The most elegant silhouettes have always followed the same timeless principle. A flowing feminine skirt paired with a top above it that gently defines and holds the shape of the body. Wrap blouses are exceptional for this because they let you control the fit while naturally creating beautiful waist definition. Tops with built-in darts offer subtle shaping without any effort at all. A fine knit sweater tucked slightly at the front is modern, flattering, and completely effortless. The critical mistake to avoid is a long untucked top worn over a midi skirt. It breaks the visual line of your silhouette completely. Your two options are always either fully tucked in or cropped just above the waistband. Both work beautifully. Both create shape and intention. And both say the same thing without a single word. I know exactly what I am doing. Secret number 6. Not all prints are your friends. The prints that serve you most beautifully after 50 are small, delicate florals in muted sophisticated tones. Diagonal and V-shaped patterns that draw the eye upward and create verticality. And balanced geometric designs that feel modern and intentional without being chaotic or busy. Here is the principle that will guide every print decision you make from this point forward. A dark print with fine detail tends to visually slim and streamline the figure. A large light print on a pale background can actually widen it. So choose with intention and not just with feeling. And here is the rule that the most stylish women live by. When your skirt has a print, your top must be completely calm. Let the skirt speak. Let the top listen. When both pieces are competing loudly for attention at the same time, the whole outfit becomes visually exhausting to look at. One piece tells the story. The other simply and beautifully supports it. Secret number 7. Always celebrate your waistline. This is the secret I feel most passionately about. And it is also the one that too many women are getting completely wrong. So let me say this as clearly and as lovingly as I possibly can. A defined waistline is not something to hide after 50. It is something to celebrate with pride and elegance. A slim belt in leather, fabric, or chain does not need to be wide or dramatic. It simply needs to be present to define your center. Or tuck in your blouse, fully or just at the front, and let the fabric drape softly. That one small adjustment creates shape and movement without making you look stiff or overdone. The mistake to avoid is a long untucked top that hides the waist completely and creates one flat, shapeless rectangle. Show your center. It is your most feminine and most powerful line. And remember, this is not about waist size. This is about a woman who sees herself fully, knows herself completely, and chooses to celebrate herself every single day. That energy is the most stylish thing in any room. Bonus. 1 midi skirt, 3 completely different looks. Here is the mistake that costs women the most joy from their wardrobe. They invest in a beautiful midi skirt and wear it only one way. The same top, the same shoes, every single time. Until eventually the skirt stops feeling special and starts collecting dust. But one well-chosen fluid neutral midi skirt can take you to 3 completely different places without buying a single new thing. Look 1 is relaxed daytime elegance. A soft fitted top tucked slightly at the front, flat loafers or sandals, a clean structured tote, and simple gold jewelry. The message is effortless and completely put together without looking like you tried too hard. Look 2 is smart and polished. A silk blouse neatly tucked in, a slim belt at the waist, kitten heels, and a sleek structured bag. The message is, I am confident, I am capable, and I look absolutely beautiful doing it. Look 3 is evening elegance. A fitted satin camisole, strappy heeled sandals, statement earrings, and a small elegant clutch. The message needs no explanation. You arrived. And the room noticed. The skirt is your canvas. The accessories, the top, and the shoes do the transformation. You are the artist. Invest in 1 beautiful midi skirt and you already have 3 stunning outfits waiting for you. Now, I promised I would come back to the question I asked at the very beginning. Do women over 50 look better in midi skirts than younger women? And here is my honest answer. Yes. Completely and without any doubt. Because younger women simply wear midi skirts. But women over 50 wear them with something that cannot be bought, borrowed, or imitated. They wear them with a lifetime of knowing exactly who they are. And that, my dear, is the most stylish and the most powerful thing in the world. Now tell me in the comments. Which of these 7 secrets surprised you the most? And which one are you trying first? I read every single comment and I genuinely love hearing from this community. If this video gave you even one fresh idea, please give it a like and share it with a woman in your life who deserves to feel this confident. Subscribe to Grace and Glow so you never miss what we have coming next. Until next time, walk tall, glow unapologetically, and never forget this. Elegance is not something you grow out of. It is something you grow more deeply into with every single beautiful year. See you in the next one.